Okay guys, here's some Indian pipes in my yard, in the forest. When the head's bowed, it means they're ready to go. So what you're going to have with you is 90 or 100 proof alcohol with an open neck like that, because you don't want to bruise these beautiful things. You just pop them right out of the earth and then you put them right into your tincture solution. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Here we go. There it is. Pop it right in. So this is a nerve tonic. This is great for physical and emotional pain. It dumps down the pain receptors so you don't think about the pain that you normally, how you would think about it. So this is a tincture. This is really the only way to use Indian pipes, is tincture form. So I'm going to cap this when I'm done and label it the time I harvested these beautiful medicines, and then I'm going to put it in a dark, dry spot, like a cupboard. I have a tincture cupboard, and 4 to 6 weeks it'll be ready. I'll let it go probably 6 weeks. So once you put them into the alcohol, they start to turn black because they're being macerated by the alcohol. So some people would say don't take them all. I have so much. My yard in the forest here is loaded with them. So what you would do after 4 to 6 weeks, you would strain these, and then you would take drops. You would take 3 eyedroppers a day. For a lot of pain, 6 eyedroppers a day. And you'll do this until you just notice that the pain receptors, that you're registering pain differently and it's not bothering you, the pain, like it normally would. Then you know that you're at your dose. Everyone's different. So I'm just going to leave that little guy there. Now the root system's still there, so these are going to regrow. So that's all there is to it for people that are wondering how to take Indian pipe. There they are there. You tincture them, you keep them in a dark, warm, like a cupboard area for 4 to 6 weeks. All kinds of them. My forest floor is just loaded with them. So many of them. 4 to 6 weeks, strain it, and then there's your medicine. Indian pipe tincture. Tincture on site, guys. This is one that if you don't tincture on site and you bring them home, you possibly could hurt yourself with toxic pipes. This is not a fungus. This is actually a plant. And it lives off fungus and other root systems in the forest. You're going to find it in a dark area in the forest. It doesn't require any light to grow, so it doesn't really like light. You see how they're hiding under the leaves, and they like pine trees. They like to feed off old dead trees and dead leaves and things like that. So go get your Indian pipes. Make a powerful tincture.